Look at them, they are fantastic. The first keyboard on MT3 profile keycaps, and they are better than I anticipated. I'm so happy. So this is still 3D printed. This is a prototype in resin, but it is good enough to have an overall idea of how the keycaps will perform on our keyboards. So high profile, spherical top. Some may say similar to signature plastic SA profile, but actually completely different, so don't dare you say that, please. So as you can see, they are shorter, so it is more comfortable to type on them, and each row is angled of just the right amount, so your fingers make love with these caps. Really, it's like dancing on these keycaps. Row 3 and row 4, row 3 and row 4 are just perfect. We couldn't have done them better. I'm really pleased with the end result. The bottom row is on row 5. That is the only flat row of MT3, but we also have an angled version that is on row 4 actually, and I initially liked the angled bottom row better, but the flat one is growing on me, and the spacebar is really easy to reach, and I kinda like it, but the choice is yours. Try them both and let me know which one you like the best. What we probably need to fix is row 1 and row 2. They are already good, but the perfectionist in me would like them to be slightly more angled. So I will try to fix that before production. Row 0. The function row is actually pretty close to SA profile, but still the shape of the top is rather different. The scoop is deeper, and yeah, I'm sure you cannot see it because this white is terrible on camera, but probably we can see it better on row 3. The shape of the top of the keycap is, while it is almost a square here on SA profile, while we have a very vintage retro looking circular shape, and the scoop is slightly deeper, so your fingertip is welcomed inside. So, great typing experience. I'm usually very critical about my creations, but I have to make an exception for these little guys because they are simply fantastic. You would never expect such a great typing experience from a high-profile spherical top keycap set. I hope you will enjoy as much as I do, because we put really a lot of effort in them and the work is still not done. Speaking of more work, as you know, the device terminal, or dev TTY, will be the first keycap set for the MT3 profile. I just received some color samples. These are not final, but they are very close. This is the Triumph Blue, and which is almost final. This is the Accent Red, and this is the main beige, but it will be actually slightly lighter than this. So that's it. I hope to receive pre-production prototypes made of PBT this time as soon as possible. I will of course keep you posted, and let me know what you think in the comment. Bye.